Okay. How you doing?
All right.
All right, let's see. You finished with the truck?
Huh?
Are you finished with the truck?
Right ahead.
Are you finished with the truck?
Yeah, we trying to get back in.
Okay. Let me get some tools right quick.
You need some tools?
Yeah.
You want my brother to help? You need some help pushing the thing up?
Nah.
He just fell asleep in the car.
Oh, he in that sleep?
Yeah, because he drives trucks and he
Okay.
And then, so we went to the storage right here, right? So when we put the stuff on there, when he went to pull it down, so I said, let's go take the stuff and then just bring the truck back.
Yeah, that was right. That's the right thing to do. Yeah, that's the right thing to do instead of just having to wait. Yeah.
Yeah.
That's fine.
Right here.
Yeah, that's fine. I'm not gonna be there but a few minutes. Hey, if you're ready to go, you're fine. Yeah. If you're ready to go, you're fine. I just need the keys on inside. Huh?
You know when I called
I just need the key. Yeah, you couldn't leave without me coming here, but I just need to take a photo of the mileage and stuff, and you can go.
Okay. You want to turn the key? I need to turn.
No, you need to turn the key in.
Okay, turn it. Okay. Cause I couldn't do that. They saying the miles less than what I had cause I told her, I said I can't complete the return, and she was saying it been acting up. Cause we only went like, I think 10 miles. We didn't go that far.
Okay.
And they say the miles less than what originally started off, but that don't make sense.
No, that don't make sense. Whos Roadside just wrapping up a, what is it? TT U-Haul. Customer couldn't get the rear door to close because the latch was interfering with it coming down. Simple fix. Right now I just want to give a huge shout out to Whos.roadside. Wouldn't be possible without you, man. What's up? Shout out to Pure Soul. Can't forget about Miss Leffner BBS. The beautiful frog lover. Can't forget about you, darling. Sassy Ella. That draw game. My other friend, Random Content. And last but not least, the beautiful, heartwarming, loving, captured kindness. Without you, I wouldn't know what my purpose is. Thank you, Capture. Whos Roadside out, guys. Have a blessed one. Happy Father's Day to all the fellas, to all the fathers as well.